All right, you're watching DefenseReview.com. I'm back with Mike Full of Full Conceal, and he's just going to cover one last little aspect that's very sort of interesting that you cannot really screw up in the deployment of this, because it's very accommodating of wherever you have that magazine. So here we go.
Yes, that's correct. So, regarding like the 33 round or 480 magazine for that matter, worst case, as long as this magazine's anywhere within this part, this kind of mag well, someone starts going in, it'll automatically kick in. So you don't have to drop it all the way to the bottom. Now you could, it just catches on the magazine catch, and then you can just flick it back up. So,
right, so in other words, it drops down into the catch, and you can flip it drop down into the catch, and you can flip it right in, right? It goes right in.
Yeah, that's the right way. Right, and or as you're pulling it down, you can practice, as long as you pass this point, as long as you're indexing it in here.
Right, once it's to a certain point, boom, anywhere in there, until the catch, it'll,
As long as that first round gets in that mag well, and with the 21 round, it's already designed so that that's the maximum point. It's the highest point right here, so you can see that bullet.
Bam.
You can't go any higher. It automatically goes in.
And I was just talking to Mike, and just saying that ideally, if you're carrying this for speed purposes, you want to have a round chambered already in the gun.
Absolutely.
And then that's going to be the next round in.
Yes.
Right there.
Perfect. Yep.
So perfect.
Exactly.
All right. Thank you, Mike.
Great.
Really appreciate it. Full Conceal, SHOT Show 2019. You are watching DefenseReview.com.